Hi, Jim Carson from Blackstock Ford Lincoln, Orangeville, Ontario. Yeah, that's right, a Ford dealer standing beside this Chevy. But our mod shop and through the dealership, we've certainly had a number of classic vehicles come through our hands, and we just love the old classic trucks from the 60s and 70s. And no finer example than this one right beside me. This is a 1971 Chevrolet C10, original short box, original 350, original color combination of Ochre and White, and the original Cheyenne package. 1971 was the first year for the Cheyenne package. It was also the first year for disc brakes being standard. There was no expense spared on this frame-off restoration that started with a completely rust-free truck, and as many GM factory original parts were used as possible. The mileage can't be absolutely certain. All of these old vehicles should be met with skepticism. It does show very low mileage at 31,500. But a couple of clues that really intrigue me. Is that original? I don't know. But it is the original grille, original bumper, original smoke glass, and when I drop the glove box down and see the original finish from that ochre paint, this definitely was a very, very low mileage, gently used truck that has definitely had a full frame-off restoration. All the paint was laid on, was then buffed, then the truck has been reassembled. It features a staggered set of Coys rims. It has vintage air. All very, very desirable features that everyone wants in the classic feature. 1971, GM sold in their half-ton categories, that includes Blazers and pickup trucks, they sold over 300,000 of these chassis. In the long box fleet side, they sold over 206,000, but in the short box, they only sold 32,800. Maybe that explains why they're just so tough to get. This is just a spectacular example. I encourage you to contact us for more inquiries. We're selling it on behalf of one of our very good customers, and we're very proud to be associated with this 1971 Chev C10 Short Box Cheyenne package.